Hi, I work at Mobility Joy Erina, and I wanted to show you the Gyenno spoon. Just to let you know that we have a couple of models available for your trials if you're an occupational therapist, and if you're a customer, just feel free to come in and try it in store. Okay, Gyenno is a stabilising spoon. It detects and compensates for involuntary movements. It works vertically or from side to side. It also has a large ergonomic handle that's good to reduce fatigue when using for a long time. It could be good for people with MS or arthritis or just weaker hands. There's a button here that when you press, it scoops. Or if you're having spaghetti, you can just swap the attachment. It has a magnet, so it's very easy to put in. And just roll. It also comes with a wrist strap. It is rechargeable, and you can also put it in the dishwasher. And because you don't want to walk around with a spoon or a fork in your hand, it comes with a lid that makes it very discreet and easy to take anywhere. You just put it in your bag and that's it. Okay, please come to the shop. We're in Erina Plaza, 210 Central Coast Highway, shop 4. Our phone number is 1300 938 641. See you soon.